Why hello there, very excited to do today's unboxing and installation. Today I've got the Ikea Billy Book Case. It comes in two pieces, so one box would be just the bookcase, it's an open bookcase, and the other box consists of the door for the bookcase. The funny thing is it's sold separately, as you can see here. In the box you can see everything is made of chipboard. None of it is solid wood, it's just veneer. This is what you can expect from Ikea. At this price point, I would expect nothing more. Alright, time to getting installation of the first part. We start by inserting those wood plugs into the holes that is supposed to be as instructed by the manual. After inserting the wooden plugs, now we screw in this special screw provided by Ikea for the washer to be clipped onto it later on when we assemble the horizontal pieces. Now when assembling this part, you gotta be very careful because it's a bit tricky. They only coat the outer parts, or only parts that are visible with the veneer, so the inner parts are all exposed. This seems to be MDF material, so you got to be very careful. You got to think how the cabinet will be assembled and let the veneer side of it face whichever that is visible to your eye when the cabinet is assembled standing up. Okay, this step is where you insert the plastic washers to hold the cabinet in place. Make sure you use a flathead screwdriver or whatever flat piece of thing you can find to tighten it up. Make sure it's tight. Okay, now that you're all done with the washers and tightening it up, we put the top piece on, fasten on the other side of the cabinet. Yep, just like that. Just smack it in with your hands. Alright, now that that's done, time to insert the backing of this cabinet. So before you do that, you want to maybe take some pencil, draw some lines in the middle, because you want to hammer a nail through the back panel on the horizontal parts of the shelf. So best to draw a line to indicate where it's going to be, because when you insert the back panel, it's not going to be visible. Oh, it's so flimsy, oh my goodness. So these are the nails that you're going to be hammering in. It's going to be 6 nails on each row, so make sure they are aligned and Hammer time! Hang in there, we are almost done. Now to insert the little metal studs for the horizontal shelvings of the cabinet. There are quite a number of holes for you to place and adjust for your own liking. Depends on what you want to store in this cabinet. My case would be mostly books and files and my watch collection. So yep, stay tuned for that. That will be the next series of unboxing video coming up. Okay, when installing the bracket for the hinge, make sure you put the screws loosely first. Do not tighten them, because you need to align it with the door, and when it's aligned, only then do you tighten everything up. Same with the door panel, make sure everything is aligned, open and close the door and make sure you're able to do so without scraping. Only then do you fasten the screws to the hinge. I'm sure you have seen this before, like most Ikea products that come with it, the knobs are not very nice, so you can just go on the internet and find some aftermarket knobs to change it up a bit.
Sexy time.
Thank you if you're still sticking around this far into the video. Up next on my unboxing series, I'll be doing a line of watches. So if you're into that kind of stuff, do check it out. It's going to be an exciting one. Cheers!